Hi everyone! Have you ever read a story that made you feel like you are inside the world of the characters? If yes, then you are reading a narrative text. So, what is a narrative text? A narrative text is a text that tells a story or a series of events, real or imaginary. The main purpose is to entertain the readers or give them a moral lesson. There are many kinds of narrative text. Here are some of the most common ones. Fairy tales. These are imaginary stories that include magic and magical creatures like fairies, witches, or giants. For example, Cinderella, Bawang Merah and Bawang Putih. Folk tales is a traditional stories from certain cultures passed down from generation to generations. For examples, Malin Kundang, Timun Mas. Next is fables. Fables is a short stories with animal characters that act like humans and teach a lesson. For example, Fox and Wolf, Rabbit and Turtle. Fantasy is imaginative stories with magic, strange creatures, or unreal world. For example, Harry Potter. Mystery is stories full of puzzles, secrets, or cases that need to be solved. For example, Detective Conan. Horror stories is scary stories with ghosts, haunted place, or strange events. For example is The Conjuring. Science fiction is stories about science, technology, robots, or life in the future. For example is Doraemon. Romance stories is stories about love between characters, sometimes with emotional conflicts. For examples, Romeo and Juliet, Dylan, 1990. Now, let's talk about the characteristic of narrative text. 1. Use past tense because it tells stories that already happened. 2. Has characters and plot. There's usually a main character and a problem they must solve. 3. Use time sequence with words like once upon a time, then, after that, and finally. 4. Includes dialogue and descriptions to make the story more interesting and alive. 5. Gives a message or moral value. For example, honesty, bravery, teamwork, and others. Alright, that's the definition and characteristic of narrative text. Thanks for listening.